Hey guys, welcome to the course. In this course, we are going to build a complete SaaS platform using FASTAPI and Flutter. So, I hope you are familiar with FASTAPI and Flutter. If not, then we will provide a quick introduction. But for summary, FASTAPI is a Python a backend framework which is modern and fast, and it is fast in production as well as for developer. And Flutter is a UI framework to develop applications which can be once built and then deployed anywhere. So it can be, once the application code is built, it can be deployed to a desktop, to Android mobile phone, to Apple mobile phone, and on the desktop side also it can be deployed to Windows, Mac OS, even Linux. So as part of this course, we are going to build a MailChimp-like platform for managing email marketing campaigns, and it is going to be a SaaS platform. And as I said, we are going to use FASTAPI for the backend, and we are going to use Flutter for the front end. And in this course, we will build the web UI. So let's see a quick demo of our application. So this is how the application is going to look like. There will be a home page for marketing, highlighting the features, displaying the plans, user testimony, etc. And then there will be separate pages for features, pricing, testimonial in detail. Then we will have functionalities like dashboard, where user can look at the complete performance of his email marketing campaigns. So the dashboard is going to look like this, where customer can look at how his email marketing campaign is performing. In summary, there will be a separate screen for managing the campaigns, where the customer can create campaigns, edit them, make changes, and then run their campaigns. There will be again a separate functionality to manage the subscribers, where they can add, delete, edit, and change subscribers. There will be settings page where they can customize their marketing campaign logo, use their custom SMTP server, and then perform backups, add two-factor authentication, etc. So these pages are not built, as you can see. This is just a mock-up, just a demo. So with this, let's go back to, so who is the intended audience for this course? Now this course, if you want to become a full stack developer, this course is quite good, because technologies like FASTAPI and Flutter are in vogue, and they make you super productive. Another category of people is people who want to launch their own SaaS product. So this will make you fast, and you will be able to build a complete platform that you can deploy. It's not that you should be doing an email campaign management, but once you learn the functionality, you can reuse the code for functions like subscriber management, user management, payments, and using that code you can build a different product and launch it as your own SaaS. So the lesson plan is divided into two parts. Part 1 for the backend API development and part 2 for the front end. Now in the backend we will first set up FASTAPI, and we will also discuss the basics of FASTAPI in this lesson, and then we will start building the functionality like user authentication, multi-tenancy, subscriptions and payments, email campaign management, subscriber management, dashboards, and then we will deploy our API in production. In second part, we will complement the first part and consume the APIs built in part 1 in the Flutter UI. So first lesson will be setting up the Flutter. Here we will set up the Flutter. We will also discuss the basics of Flutter framework and its Dart programming language. And then we will start consuming the APIs built in this part. So here we have built user authentication API. Now here we are going to consume it. So that's the summary of the course. Now we will move to the lesson 1.